Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will discuss with you a DSC related problem. DSC means digital signature. Many users when try to signature by DSC in Unified Portal or ESI site, they face a specific problem. The problem is DSC failure. Selected certificate key uses is Key Encipherment. Now I will discuss how to resolve the specific problem. So let's start. Dear friend, if you facing the problem, then you have to go control panel. Write control panel in taskbar and it will be show here control panel and double click that. After opening control panel, you have to find internet option. Here is the internet option and double click that. Then you have to select content and after that you have to select certificate. After clicking the certificate option, you will find two certificate in same names. Select the certificate which have the option certificate intent purpose encrypting file system and click the remove button there Dear friend, after removing the specific certificate which content certificate intent and purpose encrypting file system, your problem will be resolved. After then you go to the ESI site or Unified Portal site and select the option but select the file you have to sign and click approving using DSC. Then the name will be appear of the DSC and click sign PDF and your PDF will be successfully signed after you giving the appropriate user PIN. Here will be show signing PDF. Please wait. Your problem will be 100% solved. Thank you again. Subscribe us. My channel name is AB Infotech, and if you face any problem regarding this matter, you may reply me in a text or email me.